finally headed out. Wait! I don't think you should go to space. I mean, it's way too dangerous. You could get killed. Don't worry. If I get into any trouble, I'll just fly out of there with my rocket boots. Besides, I'm 18, so I'm basically an adult, meaning you can't tell me what to do. Well, then take this jacket. This jacket belonged to your father before he passed. Now it belongs to you. Chet, I'm giving you this because this will be my last time seeing you. Thanks, Ma. I'll always wear it. Well, at least until it needs to be washed. Okay, let me try it on now. There it is, my spaceship. Looks like I'm ready for adventure. To be continued. Oh boy, I'm really here! At Dodgeball Extreme School! Hey kid, what are you doing here? Oh me? I'm here for the ceremony. What are you talking about? The ceremony was last week. What? Well then, how can I get in? Well, you could go check with the principal to see if he will let you in. The main office. No! Oh come on, please, there has to be a way. Fine, but you'll need to defeat one of my students in dodgeball. Mr. Bushy? Spike is standing on the table. Perfect timing! Why don't you two follow me? Why? Because if you don't, you'll be expelled. The court. 3, 2, 1, battle! Sorry about this. Wait, I can't summon dodgeballs. Well, I guess you need to catch one ball. Whatever, I'm still gonna win. Somehow. Wow, nice try. Are you even trying anymore? Okay, I'm gonna throw this ball with all I've got. Take this. No way. This can't be. I won my first dodgeball game! Incredible. He sure shows potential. Now, I have a lot of questions. What team am I on? When can I summon balls? And what do I do next? The Thunderballs. When you get a summon bracelet, and go change uniform. And that last one has to be done now! Changing house. So, let me introduce myself. I'm Skell. That's, all. So, where'd you go? Ow, those girls sure hit hard. Why were you in the girls' change room? Because I thought it was the boy change room. Okay. Anyway, what's your name? Oh, me? I'm Blaze, and I'm gonna be the World Dodgeball Champion. Okay, your uniform is in locker 12. Inside change room. I wonder where locker 12 is. Oh, found it. 20 minutes later. Man, what's taking him so long? Sorry it took so long. Had to take a shower. Long ago, two brothers fought. One had ice, the other had snow. They fought for days, seeming to be evenly matched. Eventually, they used their strongest attacks. They clashed. It caused a cold explosion, freezing the world. The world was frozen. People were dying. No one knew what to do. Until a scientist named Skell E. Tun came up with a solution. His idea was to create a snowsuit that could resist any temperature. The human race, with a population of 1,000 people, agreed and built these snowsuits for everyone. About 5,000 years later, our story begins. Oh, what time is it? Oh, it's 7:35 a.m. Oh no! I forgot Mom told me to deliver the bread to Mr. Iron! hope Mr. Iron isn't disappointed that his delivery is late. I never get tired of the view from up here. Man, the town sure is quiet today. Anyway, I'm here at Mr. Iron's restaurant. Yo, Mr. Iron, I'm here with your bread. Wait a minute. Now that I think about it, the town is extremely quiet. And I did see unfamiliar footprints on the snow path. Oh gosh, they're all probably in trouble! Even though I'm not supposed to leave the village, this will be a rare occasion. Well, that wasn't so bad. Time to continue my journey, I guess. 5 hours later. Wait, is that a campsite? Finally, a place to rest. My legs have been killing me.